India's most secretive commandos wear black. They're called the NSG, the National Security Guard. Their job is simple to say, hard to do: show up when everything has gone wrong and end it fast. I want to break down who they are, what they actually do, and how someone becomes an NSG commando. First, the origin story. The NSG was raised in 1984 as a federal contingency force after a bruising year of terror and political violence. It sits under India's Ministry of Home Affairs, with a base at Manesar near Delhi. People call them the Black Cats for the gear: black overalls, black helmets, stripped-down kit meant for speed in tight spaces. What do they do? Think counter-terrorism at the highest stakes. Hostage rescue in buildings, hostage rescue in trains, hostage rescue in aircraft, counter-hijack operations at airports, urban assaults against heavily armed militants, bomb disposal and post-blast investigation, CBRN response, chemical, biological, radiological and nuclear incidents, and, when required, close protection for high-risk protectees. You've seen their work in headlines. 2002, Akshardham Temple. 2008, Mumbai's 26/11 attacks, Operation Black Tornado. Clearing hotels floor by floor, rescuing hostages while gunmen moved and fires burned. More recently, Pathankot and other quick reaction deployments. The pattern is the same: local police contain. NSG flies in, plans fast, executes with precision. Inside the NSG are two big pieces: special action groups, combat elements drawn mainly from the Indian Army, specialize in direct action and hostage rescue. Special ranger groups, drawn from KPFs like CRPF, BSF, ITBP, secure perimeters and support assaults, plus aviation, K9 units, bomb disposal teams, surveillance teams, and medics. You've got a modular force that can scale from a single building to a multi-site city operation. The gear is practical: MP5 or modern carbines, sidearms, ballistic shields, breaching tools, night vision, drones and communications that work in concrete jungles. It's less about looking cool and more about shaving seconds off dangerous decisions. So, how do you become an NSG commando? There's no direct entry from civilian life. Step 1. Serve. Most operators start in the Indian Army or in the Central Armed Police Forces. After a few solid years and a clean service record, you volunteer for NSG selection. Selection is brutal by design. Medical and background checks. Probation at Manesar that crushes ego and exposes weakness. Long runs. Obstacle courses. Shooting under stress. Room entries. Judgment under sleep loss. Attrition is high. If you pass, you start specialized training that can run many months. Close quarters battle and hostage rescue drills. Vertical insertion. Air portable operations, explosive entry basics, marksmanship that favors accuracy over volume, and team communication that's almost silent. Most operators serve a tenure and then rotate back to their parent units, taking that expertise with them. It keeps the NSG fresh and the wider forces sharper. Why does this matter? When an attack hits a city, dense, chaotic, full of civilians, seconds are everything. The NSG's system compresses time. Get there fast, know the layout, isolate the threat, and end it with as little collateral damage as possible. That's India's Black Cats, a force you rarely see until the worst day, and the one you're grateful exists. If you want this path, start where you are. Build fitness and discipline. Join the army or a KPF. Earn your reputation, then volunteer. The door is narrow, but it's there.